The sun rises in Bangalore, southern India. We are at Load Control Private Limited. Load Control is one of the leading companies in the field of manufacturing of low and medium voltage electrical switchboards. To satisfy its customers and manufacture quality products, this Indian company has chosen Schneider Electric as a partner. So what is the development strategy? What are the advantages to Schneider Electric for this type of partnership? The discovery of a growing company and its unique expertise.
Manufacturing I started in the year 1990, and it was started with the objective of seeing how we can move from the product selling business to the solution business. The customer wants the best possible product at the most economical price. So which means that each one of us will have to learn to specialize in what we are good at and what is the crux of the value which we are giving to the customer. So one significant trend in this I notice is that in countries abroad you have people focused either on the electricals or they are focused on the mechanicals. They don't mix the mechanical and the electrical. So in India, even in load controls now, we have complete integrated infrastructure, which means right from sheet metal fabrication to painting to electrical assembly, everything is in-house. Whereas this is a rare thing to find in advanced countries.
Schneider Electric products are user-friendly. The products are of very high quality, and we find that there is a certain amount of standardization in the frame sizes that are provided, which ensures that the variety of components are limited, and this makes it easier for us to carry the inventory and to use it, and then also to put it to through its service line.
If you compare all competition and you look at Schneider Electric, the number of sales people, prescription support people and product support people whom Schneider has invested in, it's very clear that Schneider is here for the long run. It's here to be an absolute leader in the market, and it really gives that kind of a focus on the customer.
In rare cases where we do need support of the Schneider service engineer, they respond to our calls and they help us resolve the issue at hand.
And the features which are important for the customer is not just the technicalities and the quality, but also the delivery what we are able to give and the complete solution which we are able to provide. And invariably we find that the kind of solutions which Schneider Electric is able to provide is something which has a class of its own, and the customer is invariably quite happy to associate with you, and in this association there is a sense of pride also for us, because we are associating with the best in the industry, not just best in the industry in India but in the whole world.